Hi friends, it's librarian Laura, and I'm back with another story time to go. Today we're going to be reading Fall is Not Easy by Marty Kelly. I thought since this story is all about a tree that has its leaves changing, I would read it to you outside. You can see behind me that this tree over the chicken coop actually is still losing some of its leaves. Not all of them are gone, but they're that bright orange color, which I thought was really pretty, so I wanted to share it with you. This tree in our story has some interesting problems with his leaves, which we're going to learn together. All right, so without further ado, here is Fall is Not Easy by Marty Kelly. Winter is easy. My branches are bare. And snow starts to melt, and spring's in the air. Springtime is easy. Green leaves start to grow. See right there, the little leaves are coming in. Then spring rains are followed by the summer sun's glow. Summer is easy. Just bask in the sun. Then breezes blow cooler and summer is done. Fall is not easy. It's time for a change. Green leaves turn colors, but mine all look strange. That isn't just right, and that's just all wrong. My colors won't go where I think they belong. My leaves shouldn't be fire. My leaves should be fire, and all brilliant and bright. And I try, but they won't come out right. And just when my patience begins to wear thin, I love this pumpkin, my leaves all fall off and winter blows in. Winter is easy. So that was the story of Fall is Not Easy by Marty Kelly. That tree had a hard time with all the different colors that his leaves turned, but I thought some of his leaves were really beautiful. And our craft for today is you're going to get to color your very own tree from Fall is Not Easy by Marty Kelly. So I'm going to swing the camera around to look at my hands, and let's get going on our craft. All right, see you real soon. All right, friends, our craft today is to color our very own tree from Fall is Not Easy by Marty Kelly. Now, you should have had a small bag in your kit that had some crayons in it. Those are the crayons you're going to use. Let's see. I have orange, pink, green, brown, and yellow. So those are the colors I'm going to be using today. But use the colors in your bag however you like. Decorate your tree however you like. These are two other trees that some friends of mine did. So this one looks like they had pink and purple crayons, so they made a tree that had pink and purple polka dots. And this friend had an orange and a blue crayon, so they made a striped tree. Again, super different, but really fun trees. So make your tree look however you like. I'm gonna start working on my tree, and you can follow along. And then once I am all set coloring, I will say goodbye. All right, I'm gonna put on some music and you go ahead and color. Okay, friends, I'm back. This is the tree I ended up deciding to go with. I thought a yellow tree would look really cool next to this striped one and this polka dot one. I put some stars on it because I thought those would look really good together. And I always like to hang these up in my office for the month. So these are the trees I ended up going for. I really hope you guys enjoyed this story time, and we'll be back next month with a brand new story and a brand new craft. All right, you guys have a nice day. Bye.